Okay, flow problems. And flow we use in a day-to-day life. So things like traffic flow. Traffic will flow very quick when there are less cars in the street or in the freeway. And how does it work? So there is something called source to sink. So this is the source where things are coming from. And that's your sink where it is actually going. Okay, now when we do the capacity, these are called cuts, and basically if that is blocked, there won't be any flow to the sink. So if this cut is blocked, there won't be any flow to the sink. So let's have a look at the different cuts. So we have 4 cuts here, and we want to find out which cut gives us the biggest flow in the maximum. The minimum cut, we said the minimum cut, maximum flow. That's one thing you need to remember. Minimum cut, maximum flow. All right, now, and we only count when the arrow is actually going forward. When it's going backward, we don't actually, count. So this is a cut. So cut 1 is going through these 2 edges or these 2 lines. So they're both going from the sink to the source. From the source to the sink, I should say. All right, now, so that is a forward. So that's going to be 15 plus 20, which is 35. So that's 30. The capacity for cut 1 is 35. So we're going to have to look at the same time capacity, the cut 2. So cut 2, we have 3 lines going, but we're not going to include that because that's actually going back to the source. So this one here, we count this. So this one here, 1. So which is 20 plus 14, which is going to give me 34. So let's have a look at cut 3. Cut 3, again, we have got 3 lines going through cut 3. So they're both going to the sink. We add those numbers, 14, 15, that's 29, plus another 20 is 49 there. So that the capacity for cut 3 is 49. And let's have a look at capacity cut 4. All right, cut 4, we have 3 lines again. So this one is actually going back, so we're not going to include that. So that's going to be 20. So which is this one here. Then we add to that, which is 10. So we always add the ones which are going from the source to the sink, not the one that's going back to the sink. Because this one is actually going back to the source, I should say. Going back to the source. So that's so the maximum capacity for this is obtained at cut 4. All right, I hope that's clear.